Hello guys, ganito din kami sa birthday ni Isay. Saan tayo? Ano kami? No problem! Hindi pa nagsisimula guys. Gutom na kami. Gutom na, porkada.
Friendship, family, talent, and most importantly, the people who make every journey meaningful.
Exactly, and tonight is especially close to our hearts.
Let's welcome the star of tonight's celebration, the beautiful, charming, and absolutely fabulous birthday celebrant, everyone. Palakpakan natin, Isay Racho. Alright.
May script? Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ay, okay pa ba ang lahat? Sanay naman ako mag-message sa church. Pero pagdating dito, parang kinakabahan ako. Well, first and foremost,
Ay, nakalimutan ko.
Very supportive kasi nakikita ko yung mother and daughter support. Every time na kumakanta si Isay with Best Friend Band, si Mami Lisa palaging naka-on yung iPhone 17 mo.
Yeah, di ba?
Regalo yun.
After this birthday celebration kasi we have the launching of the Spectra Performing Arts. So sabi ko, since magla-launch kayo ng Spectra
Years, but also to celebrate her journey, her dreams, and the exciting years ahead. Isay, may your 19th year be filled with happiness, success, love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. May you continue to shine, follow your dreams, and always surround yourself with people who raise your glasses to say, cheers everyone!
Cheers and bye everyone for 19 years of beautifully mold na si Isay talaga. Diba? Babae na si Isay.
Kulang ang tapang ko.
Yun siya ang sasabihin ko. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
oh baby, I'm hopeless now.
I climb every mountain and swim every ocean.
And magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I see na all of us who are here are the extended family of the Racho family. This is what I... Hawakan mo to para talagang totoong gusto sa'yo.
Sabay-sabay tayo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an action!
Another ladies and gentlemen, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Baba.
Halika kuya. Buka version yung business sa akin.
Di ko mailaga, gusto mo lang bakit sa tuwing ikaw
Kung birthday ng tao, nagtatrabaho. Hindi, okay lang yan. Para marinig naman ng mga friends ang boses niyo.
Yes. Or here's another song.
Stretching your